Today we're going to be unboxing the 900 watt Hamilton Beach microwave. Let's see what's in here. This thing, some kind of ring. It goes with this plate. Very nice. Good, huh? There. And look at this. Never seen that before. There's my scissors. Now we'll plug it in. It makes noises. Comes with this. If you need this, you probably shouldn't be using a microwave in the first place, because you are retarded. Here's this thing and a plate. Put that in there. Put that in there. There's that. Let's test its functionality. Don't microwave the spoon. That's probably in the manual that you're not going to need. I mean, you could microwave the spoon. You're not supposed to. Okay, and just press some buttons and it should do something. Let's see if this sucker works. This is the best, most accurate, and highest production quality microwave unboxing of all time. So you're welcome for being thorough and explaining how this works. But basically, it's a box that you plug into the wall. And you put cold stuff in it that you want to make hot, and then you just press buttons and it'll spin and do stuff using science and magic and witchcraft in order to accomplish that goal. That's how microwaves work. And this is the Hamilton Beach 900 watt 1 cubic foot 2024 version of the microwave. It costs $77 on Amazon. I'm just kidding. I completely made that up. I stole it off the back of a truck. I don't know what they'd cost. Never bought one before. I don't know. I'd say that's good enough. Yeah, that's probably good. And now you have cold stuff. That's hot. See steam. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That is a Hamilton Beach 900 watt 1 cubic foot microwave off the back of a truck. Tune in until next time when I'm gonna unbox a can of ravioli.